Hello, hello, hello. Oh, David, it is just a magnificent day to dive into the beautiful world of the English language. I can feel your wonderful energy all the way over here.
Oh, Emily, thank you so much. I have been waiting all morning for this. My heart is just racing because I am so ready to learn something new today.
That is exactly what I love to hear. Your passion is simply contagious. Today, we are going to master two words that often dance around and confuse people: bring and take.
Oh, yes, those two. Sometimes I feel like I am standing at a crossroads, unsure of which path to choose. Is it bring the book or take the book? It feels so mysterious.
It is like a beautiful puzzle, David. But here's the secret key. It all depends on where you are standing. Think of bring as a warm invitation. We bring things toward the speaker.
Oh, so if I am at my house and I want you to come over with a gift, I would say, Emily, please bring some chocolate?
Precisely. You are brilliant. Because the chocolate is moving toward you. It is coming to where you are. Can you imagine the joy of that chocolate arriving?
I can almost taste it. So bring is like a movement of coming. It brings things closer to our hearts.
What a poetic way to put it, David. Yes. Now let's look at take. Take is the opposite. It is like an adventure moving away from the speaker.
Away, I see. So if I am leaving my house to go to the park, I would say I am going to take my umbrella with me.
Exactly. You are taking it away from your current location. You are carrying it out into the big wide world.
Wow, it's all about the direction of the soul's movement. Bring it here, take it there. It sounds so simple when you explain it with such warmth.
It is simple because you are a natural learner, David. But tell me, have you ever felt confused when you are planning something for the future?
Oh, all the time. Like if I am at work and I am talking about a party tonight, do I tell my friend I will bring a drink or take a drink?
That is a wonderful question. Since you are going to the party and you are not there yet, you are taking it from where you are now. But if you are already at the party, you would tell a late guest, please bring some ice.
It's like a movie. The camera follows the person. If the camera is at the destination, it's bring. If the camera follows the person leaving, it's take.
Oh, David, that is an incredible observation. I'm going to use that camera idea with all my students. You are truly gifted.
I just feel so inspired by your teaching, Emily. It makes me want to use these words perfectly to show how much I care about the language.
And that care shows in every word you speak. Never fear making a mistake, David. Each mistake is just a stepping stone on your beautiful journey to fluency.
Thank you, Emily. I feel so much more powerful now. I will take this knowledge home and bring my best self to our next lesson.
Oh, look at you, using both words perfectly in one sentence. My heart is just bursting with pride.
I can't wait to practice this all day. I'm going to tell everyone to bring me their questions.
And you shall have all the answers. You are doing such a magnificent job. Keep that fire burning bright, David.
I will, Emily. This has been such a heartwarming lesson. Thank you for making English feel like a home.
It is your home, David. Always. Until next time, keep shining.
Happily. Goodbye, Emily. I'm taking this smile with me everywhere.
Oh, hello there, David. It is such a truly magnificent day to dive into the beautiful magic of language together. Can you feel the excitement in the air?
Hello, Emily. I can absolutely feel it. I have been waiting all morning for our talk. My heart is just racing to learn something new today.
That is what I love to hear. Today, my dear friend, we are going to explore two tiny words that carry so much weight and emotion. We are talking about bring and take.
Ah, yes, bring and take. They seem so simple on the surface, but I must admit, I often find myself pausing mid-sentence, wondering which one to choose. It is a bit like a puzzle, isn't it?
It is exactly like a puzzle, but think of it instead as a dance, David, a dance of direction. When you move something toward the person you are talking to, you bring it. It is an invitation, a gesture of coming together.
Oh, so if I'm coming to your house for a dinner party, I would say, Emily, I will bring some delicious chocolate cake.
Precisely. You are moving toward me. You are bringing sweetness into my home. But what if you are standing in your own kitchen, looking at that cake and getting ready to leave?
Then I would say to my brother, I need to take this cake to Emily's house now. Is that right?
You have got it. Take is about the journey outward. It is moving away from where you are. You take something with you as you go. Can you imagine how much clearer your stories will be now?
It's like a map in my mind. Bring is come and take is go. That's just incredible. It feels like a light bulb just turned on in my head.
Yes, it is all about your perspective. Now, let's think about a cozy party. If I invite you, I might say, please bring your favorite music. I want that joy to come toward the center of the party.
And if the party is over and I see my music sitting on the table, I would say, I must not forget to take my music home with me.
Joyfully, take that music away into the night. Oh, David, your progress makes my heart sing. You are not just memorizing rules. You are capturing the very soul of these words.
That I'm just realizing something. These words aren't just about physical objects. They are about our intentions and how we connect with people.
What a beautiful, profound observation. Please tell me more.
Well, if I bring someone a gift, it feels like I'm offering a piece of my heart to them. But if I take a chance on a new dream, I am moving away from my comfort zone and into the unknown.
Wiping a tear of joy? David, that is the most poetic way to look at grammar I have ever heard. You are truly an inspiration. You are not just learning English. You are living it with your whole soul.
I only feel this way because you make every word feel like a hidden treasure, Emily. You make me want to be the best speaker I can be.
And you are doing it. Remember, David, even if you mix them up sometimes, the world will still see your kind heart. But when you use them correctly, your English sounds like beautiful music.
I will practice every day. I will bring my very best effort to every single lesson we have, and I will take these lessons out into the world with confidence.
Oh, did you hear that? You used both words perfectly in one single sentence. I am absolutely beaming with pride right now.
I did. It felt so natural. It didn't feel like a struggle at all. Thank you for sharing this light with me today, Emily.
It is my greatest honor, David. Never forget, your voice is a gift. Keep bringing your light to everyone you meet.
And I will take your kindness and your wisdom with me wherever I go. Until next time, Emily.
Until next time, my wonderful student, shine bright.